Tonight, Memphis-based ServiceMaster reports an increase in the number of cleaning requests as the number of coronavirus cases grows. The company says several businesses in the region have asked for their services because of possible exposure to the virus.
WMC Action News 5 investigator Jessica Jaglois is live with what she has learned about keeping clean.
Well, Kanji, both ServiceMaster and the Centers for Disease Control say everyday cleaning products will work against the coronavirus if used correctly.
Cleaning supplies are flying off the shelves in the Mid-South, but are you choosing the right products and using them correctly?
The good thing is with the coronavirus, it's on the lower scale because it's an enveloped virus, and the ability for us to control it is very good.
Pete Duncanson is the Director of Commercial Operations for ServiceMaster. He echoes the Centers for Disease Control recommendations to first clean frequently touched surfaces with a household cleaner or soap and water, and then disinfect with an EPA-registered disinfectant.
You've got to remove the soil before you use a disinfectant.
For those under quarantine or with a confirmed case of COVID-19, the CDC again recommends cleaning surfaces like doorknobs and handles, especially in common areas. But it also says to reduce cleaning frequency to avoid unnecessary contact with an ill or possibly ill person, or provide them with cleaning supplies. Most common household cleaners and disinfectants should be effective. ServiceMaster also points out the best way to prevent an infection is to stop it before it lands on a surface or person.
Our recommendations tie to hand hygiene, which is the #1 way to break any link of the chain of infection.
Now, for a full list of EPA-registered disinfectants and the CDC guidelines on cleaning in light of COVID-19, please go to our website, WMCActionNews5.com. For the investigators, I'm Jessica Jaglois.